Welcome to this live of crypto conversation, and we have some interesting news today, and specifically in terms of the regulations of cryptocurrency in India, which is tweeted by Crypto Qanoon. Interesting handle, isn't it? Crypto Qanoon. The name only suggests what we are about. So there are two Twitter handles which are very active. One is Crypto Qanoon and the other one is Blockchain Lawyer. I think I have tweeted this today in the morning. So let's talk about whether the regulations are actually coming in India, because this is a tweet this morning. It says, in the view of the news, though unverified, this is not verified as yet, from various sources, we strongly feel that there is every likelihood that governments will regulate crypto soon. In fact, it's never showed hostility towards crypto. It just slowed down the market in order to minimize the risk for the consumers. Hopefully that's what they're trying to do. That's what they're trying to do. So, hey Gaurav, amazing to have you, man. You're the first. Okay, let me see. Let me just go on my chat and see who all is live. And say hi to everyone. How is your day been? Amazing to see all of you here. And interesting time, isn't it? For India at least. By the way, these were the guys first. Consensus tracks the matters. What I really find interesting about consensus is that consensus tracks that matter. So basically, these guys have started covering cryptocurrencies also. I think they were earlier covering only India's first real-time market data on financial news terminal company, unmatched domestic content, personalized customer service, and now they are covering cryptocurrencies. And apparently they used to only cover banks like PSU Bank, mutual funds, and interesting. For me, this is very interesting because sometime last year I never saw these traditional companies even talking about cryptocurrencies. If you look at this history, they are only talking about the mutual funds, the different kind of banks, the RBI communications on RBI policy, on all those matters. Now all of a sudden they started covering cryptocurrency news also. So as you can see, it is going mainstream already. And this is what I found interesting. So coinhero.in has got a night mode also. Of course, the price does not look good for any of these on the Indian exchanges. Just in case, I'm sure there are a few people who do like to cash out or maybe want to buy or hodl more. Coin Hero is the site to go to, guys. Of course, if you're a hodler, this Coin Hero is not for you. Amazing to see you. 16 people watching. Thank you so much everyone for joining, and hit that like. Either hit that dislike or hit a like. Do something. Hey Gaurav, what's up, man? Nabeen, Amit, hey Shiv. Okay. Dinakar, I'm good. How are you? Good to see you. Atish, I'm the first till in Gurgaon Metro. Oh yeah, we are getting metro in Mumbai also. We are getting a new, so we already have one piece of metro and we are getting another metro also, which is going to be ready by 2020, I guess. Dinesh Prabhu, I have added lots of new positions. Great. I mean, this is the time to be adding, I guess. I don't like the Ethereum price. I heard Coinbase is launching index fund. I want to know which coin are ETFs. Oh yeah. Hey, Shiv, how are you? Tijendra, how are you, man? DAB announcing private equity sales. Milind, how are you, Milind? Good to see you. CC Production, hi. Amazing. Yes, going fine. Thank you. Yes, hope for the best. Exactly, guys. So this is what the tweet that I heard, and this is from Crypto Qanoon. So two Twitter handles that I have really seen very active on. Now, if you remember, there was recently these collaborations of all the Indian YouTubers, and they had this collaboration. And in fact, I got the mail also, and I think it was it was all out from Crypto Qanun. So if at all there are two, if you if at all you want to find out about the legality of the regulations and what's the progress, I think the Crypto Qanun is one, and then of course the other one is Blockchain Lawyer. And I tweeted something really interesting about what's his name. Sometimes I pinch myself to believe that I'm going to... Okay. Okay, this was the tweet. Let me see. Tweets. Yeah, this one. Our hero Varun Sethi, blockchain lawyer 91. You reminded us of Giancarlo CFTC, guys. So this guy has definitely done some wonders. I mean, nobody ever thought of the RTI Act. Nobody ever thought of right to information thing. But he actually thought of right to information thing, and he had a bunch of questions that he shot to RBI, asking that, okay, let me know about this, let me know about that. And surprisingly, RBI did not have any answer. So he is the hero for sure. What was the reason for the market crash? I think there were multiple reasons. One was there was a hack and just the general FUD, guys. Any news about IOTA and Polymath? What kind of news? I haven't heard of any news for both of them. Oh, okay. IOTA and Polymath has some partnership recently. Co-vesting coin. Co-vesting coin. I've heard of it. Have not looked into them. Let's have a look into co-vesting. But this is very interesting, guys. I mean, I see a lot of positivity coming out for cryptocurrencies in India, which is really, there's a lot of positivity since yesterday at least. Even if actually RBI still bans cryptocurrencies exchanges in India, I think people exactly know that RBI has not done any research, and TJ boy, how are you? Co-vesting. Co-vesting ICO have their, look at this advertisement here. Welcome to the public beta version of co-vesting exchange and trading platform. Are they listed on the exchanges already? They are up by 14%. Can I get Bitcoin with fiat currency in India? Yes, you can. I mean, all the exchanges are running. Linda is a good project. Brought at 15 sats and today touched about 40 sats. Linda is a good project. Okay. That's amazing, Dinesh. I think you are killing it, man. IOTA with Volkswagen, the partnership. Right, guys. So looks very interesting to me. Honestly, since yesterday's news, I'm extremely positive on what's going to happen to cryptocurrency's future in India. Specifically, the RTI Act. Of course, everybody knows about it. It's been broadcast on Bloomberg Quint. So I don't think, if there is any solid reason, RBI is still not going to support cryptocurrency exchanges. So what are the alternatives that they have? Probably there is a regulation. So if they can't ban cryptocurrencies, they will try to regulate it. And so that is what the Crypto Qanun has tweeted. So this is your crypto qanoon. 2,169 people are tweeting here. A platform engaged in cryptocurrency regulatory analysis, legal awareness and news. So yes, one is crypto qanoon and the other one is Sandeep Goenka is following this one, and the other one is blockchain lawyer right here. Check out Linda, guys. It's a privacy coin. So why all the market is down? Any big reason behind it? I haven't seen any big reason. It's just the regular market. Okay guys, yesterday I saw this. So these guys were the first one actually to publish this, and this is called cogensis.com. So this was the news that they were the first one to publish it. So it seems that they got some news from some sources over here. I'm not sure if you can read this. Certain advantage, right? Cryptocurrency has certain advantages also. It is easy to transact. It also leaves a trail, but there are certain issues about it, such as it is not possible to know who transacted with whom. We are discussing this as well. If we can formulate a system to identify those who conduct exchange in cryptocurrency, the official said. So it looks like there are few officials, government officials, who are working on cryptocurrency regulations, and this was published yesterday. Our source is government panel not in favor of banning cryptocurrencies by Aditya Chatterjee. So they also said that the panel is not ruling. We are considering allowing cryptocurrencies not only as a commodity, because if we can regulate it properly, we might as well allow it to be used as another form of currency itself. Seriously? Yeah, you're gonna do that? I'm waiting. So yeah, I think I should leave the link of this in the description or the chat, and you should go ahead and check this out. What is meant by security token? A security token is something wherein you hope for the company to do well so that your token price goes up. So security token is ideally not a decentralized currency. It's not a decentralized token. A security token is issued by a company, and the only purpose of issuing a security token is to raise funds, and your token does not have any utility value. Your token is just a store of value, or it may not be a store of value also, because if the company does not do well, so basically you can put it this way, that the price of the token, the performance of the token is directly proportional to the company's performance. So think of it as of you're buying some shares in a company. That's what security tokens are. SEC recently told all ICO comes under security. What is your idea on it? That is true, Dinakar. I think that's what it is. Most of the ICOs are security, even if they don't want to call themselves a security. I think SEC and CFTC has been very, very clear on their stance. I mean, they already said that Ethereum is, earlier they were considering Ethereum as a security, and later on they realized that Bitcoin and Ethereum is not a security, and the reason they're not security is because they are truly decentralized computers, right? Network. But most of them are not. For example, if you look into the coin market today, let's have a look, right? And then we will be able to differentiate between what is a security token and what's not. So Ripple, for example, right? Now I don't want to talk about Ripple. There are people who might not like it, so let it be Ripple. Now let's talk about, what do you want to talk about? Let's talk about, let me find a security token. Yeah, Tether is a security token, right? Dash is not. Binance is a security token. The best example of a security token is Binance. The value of the Binance goes up only if the Binance as a company does well. And there is no utility of Binance. It's simple. You hold Binance and you get 50% off on the trading fee or something like that. Exchanges also need to be decentralized, right? Yes, there are a lot of exchanges which are decentralized. For example, IDEX, for example, Waves. So there are many exchanges which are decentralized already. Amulya says, how can it be possible? What about my question? You didn't reply. Okay, Naveen says, I heard Coinbase is launching an index fund. I want to know which coin or ETFs. I think they only had Bitcoin ETFs. They were talking about Ethereum ETFs. I haven't heard of any other ETFs than Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I don't think Ethereum ETFs are out. I think only it's Bitcoin ETF which are out. Eric Jenkins smashing the likes from Texas. How is Texas doing? Is this good news for India? Which one, Eric? Which one? But BNP is going up with a decentralized token on it. Yes, once that's right, Dinakar, because I remember that Binance was saying that they are launching a blockchain. They are building up a blockchain now. They are launching their mainnet, and if then they swap your BNB tokens with the Binance blockchain coins, and then of course then it's not a security token, but for now it's a security token, right? They don't have no blockchain, they only have an exchange. So yeah. That's right. I definitely remember Dinakar, and they are launching their mainnet. Yeah, I mean, so I guess. Oh, of course, allowing crypto in India. Of course, it's a good news, Eric. I mean, that's what everyone wants, right? It's all rumors. What's the rumors, Dinesh? So I hope you got the answer, Nabi. Right, guys, so this is what I want to share, that we have a very important tweet from Crypto Qanun, and it looks like the regulations will be coming in. Hopefully the exchanges will not shut down. We already saw the RTI's report yesterday. RBI seems to have not done any research. So if it goes to Supreme Court, I think Supreme Court is going to say that, well, I don't think we should ban it. But in the meantime, look at the prices of cryptocurrencies here in India. 4,64,000. Can you believe that? 12 lakh. Right now it's about 4 lakh. Painful, isn't it? From 12 lakh to 4 lakh. 62,000. 7,100. I usually don't see the Indian price. I'm looking at the Indian price today. Feels good. 680 dash neo 797. Q2 is doing good. Look at Neo. 2,900. Very nice. I really like the coin hero. Next year election funding will be there. It should be good news for the whole market. True. If no ban, then the bull run starts. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully. Well, so far it looks like the things are really positive. You can read this government, and then you can read crypto qanun, and you can see RTI reports. So yes, hopefully it won't be banned. That's what I'm hoping. And I mean, we have millions of investors and traders in India. Can you imagine the happiness on their faces, right? It's for most people, this isn't like, this is the trading into cryptocurrencies and investing is, everything. So that's a well done, blockchain lawyer. You have brought a lot of hope for everyone. Why not Neo having any news? I don't know. I mean, there's nothing happening in China so far. China has to do something. Yeah. 2,900 Neo. True. Yeah, so absolutely there is no partnership. Alright guys, that's it. Join the Telegram group if you haven't joined so. And I will see you tomorrow. Just want to do a short live and say hi to everyone. Oh, I got a call. Okay. Cool guys, thank you so much everyone for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow, and let's see what happens. Thank you, Dinaka. Take care and see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.